how automation technology from Vietnam is changing fleet operations. What is the next major innovation? Is transport automation is not coming from Europe or the United States, but from Vietnam. Right now, across many transport depots around the world, the same problem keeps repeating every single day. But it light up to waiting to be clean. Workers rush to keep up with the workload. Managers struggle with rising labor costs, and operation becomes slower as fleets continue growing. For years, many companies accepted this as normal, but the transportation industry is changing fast, and companies relying on outdated manual systems are starting to fall behind. Because today, fleet efficiency is no longer only about how many vehicles you own. It's about how efficiently your entire operation runs behind the scenes. And this is exactly where automation is beginning to transform the industry. At Go&Go, we have seen international buyers become increasingly surprised by how far vehicle-wise automation technologies from Vietnam have evolved. Many expect simple equipment. What they discover instead are smart operational systems designed specifically for modern fleet environments. Systems capable of reducing labor dependency, improving turnaround time, and creating more stable daily operations for transport business handling buses, coaches, and commercial fleets. The biggest mistake many companies make is underestimate how much operational pressure comes from inefficient washing systems. Manual washing may seem manageable at first, but once fleets grow larger, the problems grow rapidly. More vehicles require more manpower, more supervision, more waiting time, and more operational coordination. During peak hours, washing area become overload. Vehicles sit idle, and productivity quiet drop every day. And in transportation, delays cost money. That's why automatic transport systems have become a Chinese investment instead of just maintenance equipment. At Go&Go, our systems are built specifically for large vehicles over 10 meters long, designed to operate continuously while reducing washing time dramatically. Instead of relying on large cleaning crews, buses move through a controlled automated process where intelligent process systems clean vehicles quickly, evenly, and consistently. What once required large teams and long waiting time can now be accomplished with minimal manpower and far greater efficiency. But automation is not only about speed, it's about scalability. This is where many growth transport businesses struggle the most. Manual operations become increasingly difficult to manage at fleet expense. Labor costs increase, operational inconsistencies grow, and maintaining professional fleet appearance become harder every year. Automation trains start by creating repeatable systems capable of scaling with the business. Whether operating dozens or hundreds of vehicles, companies gain a more stable operational structure, as it's easier to manage long-term. And globally, this shift is accelerating quickly. More transport companies are now investing in automation because they understand something important. The future belongs to business that operates smarter, not harder. A clean fleet, faster turnaround time, lower labor dependency, and smoother report operation and longer nights of break. They are becoming competitive advantage. This is why automation technology from Vietnam is beginning to attract attention internationally. Not because it's cheap, but because it delivers practical operational value for modern transport business looking to scale efficiently. At Go&Go, we believe automation is not simply about replacing manual work. It's about helping companies modernize their operations and prepare for the future in transportation. Because companies adapting early today are building the operational advantage whether we'll struggle to scale tomorrow. If your company is looking for smarter ways to modernize fleet operation, reduce labor pressure, and improve report efficiency, now is the time to explore automation with Go&Go. Comment below or contact us today to discover how automated support systems from Vietnam are helping transport companies operate faster, cleaner, and more efficiently worldwide.